We got these nitrile gloves from Handy. You can see Handy nitrile gloves. They sent these to us so we could show them to you. And I use gloves all the time, disposable gloves all the time, because I need them for things like, cleaning the bathroom or in the kitchen. If I'm, like tearing up a chicken or processing meat or anything like that, I like to have gloves so that I can use that, and then I can just get rid of them. And of course it helps, just be a little bit more sanitary and stuff like that. But one of the things I really like about this set of gloves is that they don't rip and tear, because what happens a lot of times with the cheaper gloves is when I pull them on, and right here at the wrist, a lot of times when I pull them on, they just rip right across the wrist right there, and then I just end up having them split right down the palm of my hand because it ripped when I pulled them on, and I really don't like that. I've had that happen with any number of different brands of gloves. It doesn't happen with these ones here, which I'm really super happy about. And really, look at the box. It's actually a really nice looking box. It has a really nice design on it. And so, just to leave it sitting on the counter if I wanted to, I could. It just has a really nice look to it. It just doesn't look like the industrial brand of gloves and stuff. So, but what I really like is that they're really nice and durable, and I don't have to worry about them ripping when I'm using them and stuff. That's the most important thing to me. But yeah, thanks for sending those. That's pretty nice. I like that.